Welcome to the world of still. Have you ever wondered why you should buy services that go far beyond your requirements and that you don't really need for your work? Answering this question, Still now offers the new RCD and RCG series of torque converter trucks, the perfect start of success. This truck with hydrodynamic drive have been developed for everyone looking for a robust, high-performance and reliable counterbalance truck in the entry-level market segment, unwilling to work without proven still quality. With the available diesel and LPG engines, the RCD and RCG is a versatile all-rounder. This torque converter truck is available with load capacities from 1.5 to 5 tons, be it containers, trailers or pallets. On the ramp or level floor, this counterbalance truck moves your goods reliably wherever you need them. The driver workplace is easy and comfortable to reach via non-slip step. It offers the driver great flexibility and comfort, for example by the individually adjustable steering column or the comfortable driver's seat with generous space for every body size. Thanks to the spacious footwell, the parking brake is quickly and intuitively closed by foot to park the truck safely. Now let's move to the visibility, which is excellent and allows relaxed and safe transport and stacking. The good visibility through the mast allows the driver to keep an eye on the fork carriage and on the forks at all times. And narrow overhead guard profiles ensure perfect all-round visibility and increase safety in use. Even tough operating conditions, such as dust or uneven road surfaces, cannot harm the truck. It is also due to the high floor clearance. It is easy maintenance access and the powerful industry engine, which of course comply with the latest European standard. It is convinced by its simplicity. With its powerful, reliable torque converter, the RCD and RCG blends productivity, ergonomics and availability into a well-balanced overall performance. So when it comes to availability in your intralogistics, there will be no compromise. See yourself.